Good morning, my little art bugs. How are you guys doing today? I just wanted to let you guys know that I thought of another project for us to do. So you guys have your paints out there, right? We got you guys to get your art supplies for art club. This year, obviously, since everything's a little bit different, I would normally do an acrylic demonstration, okay? I am going to do one, but I kind of want to see what you guys do with your paint first, okay? So, let's get down to it, okay? For this art week project, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to find a surface to paint on that isn't paper, okay? Something that is strong, maybe like cardboard or a cardstock. I know there's also like this painting on glass trend that people are trying out, okay? So if there's like any old picture frames or anything like that, obviously ask for permission first, but just something that's a little bit different, okay? And I want you guys to paint whatever you guys want on this glass surface. The only thing is that you are not allowed to use the primary colors, okay? No red, no blue, no yellow. That's it. You're allowed to use secondary colors, and you are allowed to use the black and the white. Okay, now, Miss Grande, you told us to only get primary colors. How am I supposed to do that? Because I want you to mix the colors, okay? I want you to mix all your own colors, but you are not allowed to use the pure blue, pure red, or pure yellow, okay? Also, apparently I can't say the word pure. Embarrassing, okay? So, on that note, there is no size requirement. It doesn't have to be a certain shape or anything like that, but I definitely do want to see what you guys are doing. I haven't seen your found art sculptures yet, so please make sure you post those down in our channel. I would really appreciate to see what you guys have been doing. And if there's any other work that you've been doing on your own free time, I would really love to see that. So please, 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 let me see your work, okay? I have no problem even having individual meetings with you. We can talk about what you did, what your inspiration was. If you had any troubles, what were they? I'm here for you, okay? So, if you guys could do that for me, that would be fantastic. Remember, no primary colors, but you have to mix them all yourself, okay? And for those of you who forget, your primary colors are your red, your blue, and your yellow, and you mix blue and red to make purple, and you mix red and yellow to make orange, and then you mix yellow and blue to make green, okay? So if you forget, that's what that is. Let me know if you need help. I also have some visuals that might help with you guys. For the kids that are in grade 8, we're doing the color harmony project, so, or not color harmony, but it's a color theory project, so you guys will have a little bit of base knowledge there, okay? Awesome. I will see you guys all later. Have a great rest of your week. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.